Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. Yeah, we have initial or further evidence actually that our primary wave count is going to be followed, which would be the idea of another low. Yeah, we have another 4.6% decline the last 24 hours. We reacted to resistance here again. And the idea was because of the rally of only in a three-wave structure here, that there is a good likelihood that we will make another low here below the 10th of May or 9th of May low, which was made at 2.72 cents. So that's the idea still. Of course, as I said, this could follow through to the upside. This could be bullish. But if you can read market structure, then you will see that this is only a three-wave move. Now, what does it mean? That means, yeah, it could be the first wave in a so-called leading diagonal pattern. So this would be a wave 1, this would be a wave 2, but it would literally need to turn around now, which it's not doing. And we would go up in a third, a fourth, and a fifth. But because it's a leading diagonal, I want to see all 5 waves filled in before I confirm we have bottomed and then wait for the 3-wave pullback. Because if it's a 3-wave move, it can always easily fail after 3 larger waves. Yeah. And, or it can just go straight away, which is the idea at the moment. Okay. So yeah, I mean, an ABC structure can always follow through to the upside, but it's not an impulse, which should follow through. And that's the difference. Yeah. A lot of people don't understand this. I want this really to sink into everybody. Focus on quality. That's it. We need to focus more generally in the crypto space. We need to focus more on high quality setups. Otherwise, too many people get burned, right? So also here, 3-wave move up, not strong indication we have bottomed. Yeah, we could have, but then there are some other charts where we have an impulse, okay? So that's the problem. So yeah, it could have bottomed. It's anyway in the larger trend reversal area. In the end, it comes down to your time frame. Here, just again, the message, the 2.5 cent level is last bullish reliable support. Of course, it can still find support lower. We've got all these dotted lines which point towards Fibonacci extension targets that we have here. So we've got 2.56 cents. It's a 78.6 Fib retracement. This will be strong support. And then we've got 2.51 cent, 2.42, 2.4. They're all relevant Fibonacci extension levels. I cannot really identify very clearly a subwave structure here. So I leave it as that. There's no point trying to label the subwaves of that 5th wave because it is hard to read on that smaller level. So it's pretty much still in the making. I will not rule out that we go below 2.56 cents, which is why I've got all these dotted lines here as possible next targets. The idea is that this was a wave 4, yeah, no change. And we can now also use the length of waves 1 through 3, go to the high of the 4th wave and see what kind of targets come up. And here we just additional Fibonacci extension targets. Yeah. So here we've got 2.69 cents. I mean, I would pay attention to that level anyway. It's basically the 8th or the 9th of May low. And then we've got the 61.8 extension level at 2.16 cent. So we already have one at 2.2. So, we've got, I will add that as additional target there. They are all legitimate and valid targets down there. It's just that ideally in such a larger 1-2 setup, you normally don't want price to break and sustain below the 78.6 retracement, which you will do if it breaks below the 2.56 cent level. But again, official invalidation of the bullish case, that we've already bottomed in the bear market, that will not occur until we break below 1.5 cent. But then we've already moved another 50%. So ideally we listen to the warnings. But I very much see the possibility it could break below the 78.6 Fib level. But the good news is that it rallied quite strongly here in this 4th wave, which puts quite a bit of distance between price and a possible break of that bullish reliable support level. But basically no change to previous videos. It's just following through. And micro support is obviously here the last swing low at 2.87 cents, and then we've got 2.73. And it would really take a move above the Wednesday high to indicate something more bullish. Okay, that's my update about GALA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Just make sure you follow the official accounts because there are impersonators around. We do publish signals, stuff about trading, TA, Elliott wave. So feel free to check that out. You can find the links in the video description. And yeah, hopefully you have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.